Try this delicious cabbage salad next time. To start our recipe, I will start cutting half cabbage into small pieces. Then I will transfer to a container. This recipe is amazing. I'm sure the result will surprise you. Now I will grate a carrot, and then I will transfer to the container, along with the cabbage. Tell me if you have any differentiated salad recipe. I would love to know your recipe. Now I'll cut some Chinese cabbage to taste. This part is optional. You can use as much as you want. Then I will put in container too. Then I'll slice an onion. This recipe is amazing. Make it at your house. And then come back here to tell me what you think. Finally, I will chop the tomatoes into small pieces. And I will also chop some parsley to taste. I will add 150 grams of corn. Chopped tomatoes. I will arrange with a spoon. And parsley in the container of our salad. Then I will stir everything very well, so that all the ingredients are added and mix well. Look how colorful our recipe is. Now in another container, I will put a tablespoon of mayonnaise, 50 milliliters of olive oil, a tablespoon of mustard, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of fried garlic, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I will stir everything very well until everything is mixed. Finally, I will add the juice of half lime. And I will mix one last time. My friends always ask me to teach this recipe. Now I will transfer the seasoning we made to the container with the salad to finish. I will stir well for the seasoning. Add the salad. This recipe has become routine here at home. Will become routine in yours too now. I'm going to transfer our recipe to a nicer container so we can serve. Has become one of my favorite recipes since I first tried it. Done. This is ready, our recipe. Look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Quinlan Rollins. Riley from Trinidad and Tobago. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.